Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Sulekha, did you read the text about Miranda Hart?
Yes, sir.
Good. Did you understand most of it? Did you understand the text?
Yes, sir.
Good. Abhishek, you?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Amit, where are you?
Bahar.
Battery low. Battery low. Beta, we have the charger here. Avinash. Hello, Atif. Hello, Amit.
Hello, sir.
Amit, is your mic working fine today? We have the charger here. Now the problem is, how do we connect this? Beta, bring the charger. Bring the charger. Just give me the charger. And turn on the bulbs. Turn on the bulbs.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. No, just listen to my conversation. Okay? Just listen to my conversation. Okay?
Good
If
evening,
you are,
sir.
good evening, Irshad. If you are here with me, Masi will not scold you. I understand, but don't worry. Okay, people, let's start. What is Miranda Hart's job?
She is actress and comedian
She is an actress
and a
and
comedian.
comedian.
An actress and comedian.
She is an actress and a comedian.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Okay. Is she married?
No, she
No,
isn't.
she isn't.
No.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Imtiaz. How are you now, Imtiaz? Are you better?
Yes, sir, I am fine.
Then turn your camera on, beta.
Yes, sir.
Aisha, beta, be on camera. Shazia, Anish. Okay, let's see. Is she married? You're saying she's not married.
No, she isn't.
Okay. Next. Read the article carefully and answer the questions. Okay. What time does she get home on Friday evening?
On Friday evening, she gets 6:15.
She gets home 66.
On Friday evening, we get home
On Friday.
at 6
At 6:15.
Friday evening, she gets home at 6:15. Very good.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sanyogita ma'am. What does she have to drink?
She has
He has a
drink.
She
hot
has
chocolate to
hot
drink.
chocolate to drink.
She has a hot chocolate. Very good.
drink.
Yeah, mute yourself, Imtiaz. Your mic is very noisy. Very noisy. Now, number 3. Does she stay in London for the weekend?
No, she doesn't.
No, she doesn't.
No, she
She
doesn't.
doesn't
No, she
stay
doesn't.
in London for the
No,
weekend.
she doesn't.
No, she doesn't. Very good. Will you not add anything more? कुछ अलग से बताओगे नहीं? Details नहीं दोगे?
She stay out of London. She stays.
She stays. No, she goes.
She goes.
She goes
She goes out of
Out of
London.
out of
She
London.
goes out of London.
She goes out of London. Near a
C.
near the sea. Near the sea, right?
Near the sea.
Near this.
Does she like driving?
She like, but
Doesn't like driving
Yes,
at
She
lot of traffic. She
Lot
doesn't.
of
She doesn't like
Yes, she
driving.
does, but she
Traffic.
doesn't like
She
driving
like
in bad
drives,
traffic.
but she doesn't like driving because
She
a
likes
lot of traffic.
driving, but she doesn't.
She hates
Traffic.
driving a lot of traffic.
She doesn't a lot of.
Yes, she does, but she doesn't like driving in bad traffic.
Okay. So some people are saying she doesn't. Some people are saying she does. Right? Does she like driving?
She likes. She like driving, sir. She like
but
driving.
in heavy
but,
traffic,
uh,
he doesn't like.
Driving a
hate
lot of
driving
doesn't
in a
like
lot of
Driving
traffic.
in bad traffic.
She likes driving, but
She hates
She
In
hates
heavy traffic, he
driving
doesn't
in
like.
driving a lot of
Uh,
traffic.
lot of traffic.
she likes driving, right? But
She
not in
likes-
a lot of traffic. But not in a
But
lot
not
of
in-
traffic.
sir.
Renu,
Not
you disconnected just
Yes,
because
sir.
your R was small, so you disconnected just because of that.
No, sir. I don't get it, sir.
You try to join the meeting, and then
Yes.
you disconnected because your name Renu was written with a small r. So you went and changed that to capital R.
No, sir.
Oh,
I
okay.
didn't do
Okay.
this, sir.
Okay. Pehle, I saw you in the waiting room, and then you disappeared.
Yes, sir. I tried.
And hello, Sana. So first time your name appeared with a small R-E-N-U, Renu.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Second
Yes, sir.
time it was with a capital R. So I thought you went just to change the spelling of your name.
No, sir.
Okay, good for you. Good for you. It doesn't matter so much. Unless you're writing in an exam, it really doesn't matter. Okay. Imtiaz beta, I cannot see your face. Yeah, better. Yeah, better. Who does she go with?
She
Her
goes
dog,
with her
big
south to a
dog.
cottage
With
near
her
the sea.
dog.
She goes with dog. Her
She
dog.
goes with her dog, right? Who does she go with?
Name
With her dog.
Piggo.
Name it Peggy.
She goes with her.
Peggy.
She
Dog.
go with her dog.
She goes
She
with the
goes
dog.
with her dog.
Her dog.
Her dog's name
Her
is
dog name is Piggy.
Peggy.
Piggy.
Her
dog
dog
name or
name is
dog's
Pig.
name? Dog name or dog's name?
Dog.
Dog
Dog
name.
Dog.
name.
Dog's
name.
name. Apostrophe S.
Yes.
Dog's name.
Yes, sir. Acha. Her dog name. Yes, sir.
Dog name.
What are her favorite things?
She's
Her
favorite
favorite
hot
thing.
bath.
Her
Her in hot
favorite
bath.
thing.
Looking
Her
to
favorite
the
thing.
cinema. Looking at the
things are
sky.
looking at the sky, going to the cinema, talking to a dog.
Looking at the sky, talking to her dog Piggo.
Right.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Aarti. Good evening. Just give me a second.
She goes with dog. She goes with her dog. She goes with her dog's name is Peggy. Where does she go? She goes south to a cottage near the sea. She goes south. She goes south.
Yes. My audio is clear, everybody? You can hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Sir.
exercise 3. Yes.
Question number 6. Can I say her favorite things are lots of?
नहीं, बहुत सारी है, यही कहना चाहते हैं ना, उसकी बहुत सी फेवरेट चीजें ढेर सारी है, राइट?
जी सर.
ओके. काशिफ, a lot के बाद ऑफ जब लगाते हैं तो a lot of something बोलते हैं बेटा, ऐसे बोलते हैं a lot of rice, a lot of money, a lot of girls, a lot of problems, a lot of things. खाली a lot of नहीं होता, okay? A lot
Okay.
of something, a
Something.
lot of questions, a lot of pages, a lot of books. I hope you understand.
Yes.
Okay. Her favorite things are
A hot bath.
a hot bath, going to the
Going to
theater,
the theater
likes
on cinema.
looking at the sky. She also likes
And-
talking to her dog, who
dog.
listens and doesn't answer back.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's do exercise 3. At 10 o'clock, complete the questions. What time do
What
you
time do you
Go to bed.
what time do
on
you
Friday
go
night.
on Friday
What
night?
time does she go to?
She बोलेंगे तो उससे नहीं पूछ रहे हैं, उसी से पूछ रहे हैं. देखो आप. What time do you go to bed? We are asking the girl. We are asking Miranda Hart. Okay. We are asking Miranda Hart. What time do you go to bed on Friday night?
Yes.
At
Renu, please put your homework in the group, Renu. Everybody
Sir.
put your homework in the group. Some people have already put their homework in the group. The rest of you quickly now send your homework in the group.
Sir, I read this article and noted down, but I didn't complete this
Exercises.
question.
Why?
Yes, sir, this exercise.
Why?
Because I took a nap and I got up
And
5.
next time take your homework more seriously. Okay, it's important that
sir.
you answer. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody else, please put your homework in the group.
सर एक लाइन इसकी मुझे समझ नहीं आई सर. I wait for the rush hour to finish. इसका
I will read every line. Okay. After doing the exercises, I'm gonna read every line and I'm going to explain everything. Okay. I'm going to explain every single sentence. Don't worry. That sentence is a very interesting sentence. I wait for the rush hour to finish. Is Chico here? Chico is not here. Okay, let's see. Question number 2 at 8 o'clock. What's the question?
What do you
What
get up
time,
on Saturday
time
morning?
do you get up on Saturday morning?
What
Time.
time do
Do
you
you
get
get
up
up?
on Saturday morning? I do not see any. Oh, Suhani, I see your answers. Bhai, where are the answers of other people? Aisha, Kashif, Suhani, Anish, Amit, Anshu, Abhishek, Suleikha,
I send it, sir.
Zeba, Noor, Shabnam, Afreen, Irshad, Atif, and where are the rest of the people? Sana beta, your homework is here in the group. Sana, your homework is not in the group. Imtiaz, your homework is not in the group.
Sorry, sir.
I don't like it when the students do not do their homework. I don't like it. And it will affect your learning as well. Let's see. Number 2, what time do you get up on Saturday morning? At 8. Number 3, question number 3, everybody, complete the question.
Where do you go
Do
for
you have
breakfast?
breakfast?
Where do
Where
you
do
have
you have breakfast?
Where do you have breakfast?
In a cafe.
That's all. Where do you have breakfast? That's all, or something more.
Yes, sir.
Where do you have breakfast on Saturday?
Oh,
Where do you have breakfast?
on Saturday.
Saturday morning.
Well done, Sana beta. Good job, Sana beta. Hey, Zeba.
What do you do after breakfast?
So, where do you have breakfast on Saturday morning?
On Saturday.
In a cafe.
In the cafe.
Number 4. What time? No, number 4. What do you do?
What do you do after breakfast?
What do you do after breakfast?
I do some exercise.
After breakfast, I do exercise.
I do
I do
do
some
some
exercise.
exercise.
I do some exercises.
And then
I
go
do
for a
some
long
exercise.
walk next to the sea.
Yeah. Number 5. Where? Question.
Do you
Let
go
Where do you go?
Do you
walk.
go for a
Long walk.
long walk? Long walk.
Where do you go for a long walk? Where
Long
do you
walk.
walk? Next to the sea.
Next to the sea.
Number 4. On Saturday evening, Miranda,
reads a
What do you do?
Listens.
on Saturday evening, Miranda reads a book. On Saturday evening, Miranda reads a book.
Reads a book.
Reads a book, Miranda. When? On Saturday evening. On Saturday evening, Miranda reads a book. 2. She doesn't have a television.
Don't have a television.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
She doesn't have a television. Next, number 3.
On Sunday morning.
Sunday morning, she listens to music.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you,
Yeah.
Shabnam.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. On Sunday morning, she listens to music.
Yes.
On Sunday morning, she listens to music.
Yeah.
4.
She goes for a long walk.
She goes for a long walk.
She goes for a long
Goes for
walk.
a long
She
walk.
goes for a long walk.
For a long walk.
She goes for a long walk. 5.
She has lunch.
She has lunch in a pub.
She
She has
lunch
lunch in a
She has
pub.
lunch
She has lunch in a pub. 6.
She
She
leaves
leaves
the
the
cottage
cottage
at
at 5
o'clock.
o'clock.
Leaves the cottage at
She
5.
leaves
She
the
leaves the
cottage
cottage
at
at 5. 7.
At 5.
She
On
leaves
Monday
Monday
morning,
morning,
she
she
doesn't
doesn't
want
want
to
to
go
go
back
back
to
to
on
work.
work.
Monday
Want
morning.
to go back to work.
On Monday morning, she
She
doesn't
doesn't
want
She doesn't
want
want
to go back to work.
on Monday morning, she doesn't want to go back to work. And 8,
She works
She
with
works
nice
with
nice
people.
nice
She works
She
with
works
nice
with
people.
nice people.
she works with
She
nice
works
people.
with
She works
nice
with nice people. Okay, now let's read the text. My perfect weekend, Miranda Hart, actress and comedian. Most single women I know want a boyfriend. Please translate this sentence. Most single women I know want a boyfriend.
ज्यादातर
Shabnam.
लड़कियां बॉयफ्रेंड
Shabnam,
चाहती हैं बनाना चाहती
Shabnam, translate it into Hindi. Most single women I know want a boyfriend.
Boyfriend, but I love you.
मोस्ट इंडियन वुमेन मतलब ज्यादातर भारतीय महिला I
Single
know
women,
want
single
a
women,
boyfriend.
most single
मैं
women.
जानती
ज्यादातर
हूँ
single औरतें.
yes a single woman yeah भारतीय single woman I know want a boyfriend मतलब मैं जानती हूँ वो बॉयफ्रेंड बनाना चाहते हैं क्या सर
All right, thank you, well
I know
tried.
want a boyfriend
Thank you, well tried. आप सब लोग के नॉलेज में और प्रैक्टिस में इंग्लिश बोलने की क्षमता में आज इजाफा होने वाला है. You are going to learn to make new sentences today. संयोगिता मैम, can you please
Yes, sir.
translate this sentence? Most single women I know want a boyfriend.
मैं जानती हूँ कि जो सिंगल वुमेन होती है उन अपना बॉयफ्रेंड बनाना चाहती है
वो
बट आई लव
Okay.
बीइंग ऑन माय
Okay,
ओन मैं
wait,
love being
wait,
on my own
relax. Only I
sir.
selected only small part because I want your focus on this part first. Okay, everybody, bit
Yes.
by bit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bit by bit, little by little, little by little. Okay.
सर ज्यादातर सिंगल वुमेन बॉयफ्रेंड रखती है.
All right, well tried, everybody. Now listen to this. मैं जानता हूँ कि ज्यादातर औरतें, सिंगल औरतें, बॉयफ्रेंड बनाना चाहती हैं. I know that most single women want a
single
boyfriend.
woman want a boyfriend
लेकिन ये लिखा थोड़ी है यहाँ पे, ये तो नहीं लिखा
Yes,
है. ये
sir.
तो लिखा है
that का
most
यूज ही
single
नहीं है
women I know want a boyfriend.
जितनी को मैं जानती हूँ वो सब बॉयफ्रेंड बनाना चाहती है.
नहीं आई नो वांट
मतलब
अ
ये तो नहीं
बॉयफ्रेंड
होगा
माने सिंगल वुमेन अपना बॉयफ्रेंड
we are
चाहती है.
going to
Sana beta, translate this sentence into Hindi. Most single women I know want a boyfriend.
Single women चाहती है boyfriend. Okay.
Okay, beta. Everybody,
we
listen.
are going to
औरत
When you start a sentence, everybody, when you start a sentence with I know, then that Hindi was good that you guys translated. If you start the sentence with I know that most students respect me. मुझे पता है
yes
ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स मेरी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. I know that
yes
most students respect me. मैंने यहाँ I know से शुरू किया. Okay, तो ये सेंटेंस का हिंदी वो हुआ जो आप लोग कर रहे हो कि मैं जानती हूँ कि ज्यादातर सिंगल औरतों को बॉयफ्रेंड चाहिए.
Yes.
लेकिन वो लिखा ही नहीं वहां पे, वहां तो कुछ और लिखा है. वहां लिखा है most single women I know want a boyfriend.
ज्यादातर महिलाएं जिन्हें मैं जानती
ज्यादातर
हूँ
लड़का
जितनी महिलाओं को मैं जानता हूँ वो बॉयफ्रेंड को चाहती है.
Well done, Atif beta. Most single women I know want a boyfriend. Most single women I
जितनी सिंगल
know
वुमन को मैं
want
जानती
a
हूँ
want a boyfriend.
वो चाहती हैं सिंगल वो चाहती हैं
Who
बॉयफ्रेंड
wants a boyfriend? Who wants a boyfriend?
मोस्ट
Most
सिंगल
single women.
सिंगल
No
वुमेन.
single
मोस्ट
women.
सिंगल
She knows.
वुमेन.
Most single women I
Women.
know. Most
knows.
single women I know
I know
I
want a
know
boyfriend. Who wants a
boyfriend.
boyfriend, guys? Who wants a boyfriend?
Most single women
I
I know.
know.
Single
Most single women I know
I
want
know.
a boyfriend. Okay. Most single women I know want a boyfriend. Understand? Who wants a boyfriend?
Most single women
Single
I
women
know.
I know.
So in this sentence, I know is with most single women. Most single women I know want a boyfriend. Okay? Now listen to another example from me. Okay. Most students I have want to speak English fluently. Okay, let me make it easy. Let me make it easy. Most students I have work hard. Who works hard? Who works hard?
Most of
Most student you have.
most of students.
ज्यादातर
Teacher,
student I have.
You have.
Yes, yes,
but
Abhishek. दोस्तों,
Teacher,
when I say most students, तो ये most students सिर्फ बोलूं. Listen to me. Mute yourselves, everybody, and listen to me quietly and very patiently. Very patiently. Listen to me very patiently. Mute yourselves, everyone, and listen. If I say most students, it means I'm talking about जितने भी students दुनिया में हैं, ज़्यादातर. Most students. But when I say most students I have, अब मैंने कहा ज्यादातर वो स्टूडेंट जो मेरे हैं, मेरे स्टूडेंट जो हैं, वो वाले ज्यादातर. तो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, most students, only most students means in the whole world. Okay. But when I say most students I have, then I'm talking about my students, remember.
मैं
So
भी
when
यहाँ
I
voice
say,
नहीं बना.
when I say most students I have, respect me. ज्यादातर जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं मेरे, वो मेरी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. कौन रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं? मेरे ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स. Most students I have respect me. Now in this sentence, the verb is respect. The verb is respect. And the subject is
Most
most
students
I
I
have.
have.
पूरा. Most students I have respect.
Yes.
Okay. अब जरा सुनिएगा, एक सेंटेंस सुनिएगा. Most students I
Hello.
have are nice. Most students I have are nice. Who is nice?
Your
students.
student I have.
I have मत बोलो,
and most
you have बोलो.
Most
आप बोल रहे
student
हो,
you have.
Some
मत
student
बोलो.
you have.
Most student you have.
अब word order का ध्यान रखना. Word order का ध्यान रखना. Most students I have are nice.
Most
Students
student
you are.
Student you have nice.
I have nice.
Most
have.
students I have are nice. Can you
Most
repeat the
student
sentence?
you have
Most
are nice.
You have are nice.
Most students
Most
I
students you
have
have
are
are
nice. ज्यादातर जो students हैं मेरे
I
अच्छे
have
हैं. Most students I
student
have
you
are nice.
Nice.
Student you
अब
have
एक
are
और सेंटेंस
nice.
लीजिए. कौन नाइस है? Who is nice?
Most students
you
you have.
Most students I have.
You have.
Okay. Okay. आगे सुनिएगा. Most students I teach understand me very well.
Most student
I teach understand me very well.
understand you
Most student
very
you
well.
teach you
Understand very well.
understand you very well.
Who understands me very well? Who understands me very well?
Who?
Teach who understand you very well.
Most students I teach understand me very well.
Those
Some
students
most
students, सुनो.
student you teach understand
you teach
you very well.
understand you very well.
Very good, Adi beta. Very good. Now listen to this. Most shirts I have are black.
Most shirts you have
Most
are
shirt
black.
you
Shirts
have
you have
What you
black.
have are
You
black.
have
Black.
What is black?
you
Your
Your
shirts.
shirt.
Your shirts.
your shirt.
Right? अगर मैं I have हटा दूं, I have हटा देता हूँ. मैं कहूँ most shirts are black. तो किसके shirts पता चले?
No.
Yes, sir. Your shirt.
मैंने कहा most shirts are black.
Most
खाली
of-
most shirts are black. बस इतना है. Most shirts are black. पता चला किसके shirt?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
अच्छा, अब सुनो. Most shirts Abhishek has are white.
Most
Most shirts Abhishek
Most
has are
shirts
white.
are white.
Everybody, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Most
shirt
shirts Abhishek has are white.
are white.
Most don't Abhishek are white.
Right? अब ये
Most-
सेंटेंस सुनना और
Sir.
सुहानी माफ करना मैं तुम्हारा मजाक बना रहा हूँ. Okay, but guys, enjoy the song, enjoy the joke. Okay, most boyfriends Suhani has are rich.
Most
Most
boyfriends
boyfriends
Most
Suhani
are
has
rich.
are rich. क्या हुआ दोस्तों इसका मतलब?
जो मेरा
सुहानी का जितने बॉयफ्रेंड है वो सब अमीर है.
अमीर है.
अमीर है.
ज्यादातर अमीर है.
सुहानी का
ज्यादातर
अमीर है.
अमीर है.
अमीर है.
अच्छा, इसका मतलब सुहानी has multiple boyfriends.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine. So I hope everybody appreciates the word order. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you want to say something about your relatives, guys? You want to say something about your relatives? Let's see. Most relatives I have don't speak English.
Yes.
Yes.
Most relatives I have don't speak English.
Most relative I have.
कुछ समझ में आया?
Yeah.
क्या?
हाँ, ज्यादातर रिश्तेदार
ज्यादातर रिलेटिव इंग्लिश नहीं जानते हैं.
रिलेटिव आए
मेरे बहुत सारे रिलेटिव जो इंग्लिश
रिश्तेदार हैं वो इंग्लिश
नहीं,
नहीं
इसकी
बोलते।
अच्छी हिंदी मैं ऐसे करूंगा संयुक्ता मैम, इसकी जो नेचुरल हिंदी करूंगा, ज्यादातर ने रिलेटिव जो हैं मेरे इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते,
रिलेटिव मेरे हैं जो
बट सम रिलेटिव्स आई हैव स्पीक इंग्लिश. Some relatives I have speak English.
Some relatives I have speak English.
Some relatives I have speak English.
मेरे कुछ रिलेटिव है जो इंग्लिश बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
कॉपी चाहिए कॉपी.
Okay. सना, ज्यादातर जो आपके कपड़े हैं ट्रेडिशनल हैं, राइट? कि सारे कपड़े आपके जो हैं ट्रेडिशनल हैं? ज्यादातर कि सारे? ज्यादातर.
Most dress I have.
Most clothes I have.
Dress.
Clothes.
Most clothes I have. Most clothes I have traditional.
Are
Most
I have.
मोस्ट क्लोथ
Shabnam on camera. Shabnam on camera. Shabnam on
Yes,
camera,
sir.
please.
Okay, okay.
क्लोथ
Most clothes Shabnam has are traditional, right, Shabnam?
शबनम
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Most clothes Shabnam has are traditional.
शबनम हैज आर ट्रेडिशनल
And listen to this one. Most friends I have are on good posts, in good jobs. Most friends I have are in good jobs.
आर इन गुड जॉब.
लिखने से ज्यादा सुनने पे ध्यान देना आप लोगों को, समझने पे ध्यान देना दोस्तों. संयोगिता मैम लिख लेती है, उनका दिमाग बहुत तेज चलता है, वो समझ रही होती है, साथ साथ लिख लेती है, बट अगर आप लिखने जाओगे ना, ध्यान में
घर
आपके
में
नहीं
फिर
रहेगा
रिपीट
कि आप
करते हैं
सीख रहे
सर.
हैं. हाँ?
कि घर में रिपीट करते हैं. घर में जब हम फ्री रहते हैं ना तो उसको रिपीट करते हैं.
You are just excellent as a student, you know. Your mind works so sharp, and in your 40s, I can't believe how sharp you must have been when you were in your 20s, when you were a teenager. My goodness, I can't believe it. Guys, you have to understand, Sanyukta ma'am is just exceptional, okay? So you guys, Imtiaz, where are you? What are you doing? Who is this guy? Where are you sitting? Okay, guys. ज्यादातर जो मेरे नेबर्स हैं ना, बड़े कोऑपरेटिव है, बड़े अच्छे हैं. कैसे बोलेंगे आप?
Most neighbors
Neighbors I have
are cooperative.
Very good. Most neighbors I have are very nice and helpful and cooperative. अंशु बेटा, it's very easy to make such sentences. बहुत आसान है. अपने दोस्त के बारे में बोलो कि ज्यादातर मेरी जो फ्रेंड्स हैं पैसे की भूखी हैं. Just
Most friends I have are greedy of
greedy, very greedy. Most friends I have are very greedy, right?
Most friends I have greedy.
Yes.
Very
अब सुनो. Most wives I have.
What?
your
How
most
many
wives.
आते हुए saying, हाँ?
you have?
Sir, ma'am सुन लेंगे
How
sir.
many wives you have?
How many wives do I have? Good, good, good. अब चलो, जब आप समझ ही रहे हो तो मैं आपके लिए आसान करता हूँ, थोड़ा सा सही सच बोलता हूँ. The only wife I have is very beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the only wife I have is of course everybody has only one wife, okay?
Yes.
लेकिन ये मैं आपको बता रहा था कि वो most का purpose क्या था वहाँ
Some
पे,
people
right?
have two wives, sir.
हाँ, of course, Sabnam. Some have 2, some have 3, some have 5, but they do not reveal.
No,
you
sir,
know?
no. 5, no. 1, 2.
क्या बात करते हो? They have. They keep one in every city wherever they go. They are rich people, you know. They have one account in
don't
every
know about
city they go to. If I were a billionaire, I would also have an account in every city. Okay. Okay, just kidding. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
चलो कुछ अच्छा मैं बोलता हूँ, ज्यादातर मेरी जो गर्ल स्टूडेंट्स हैं बड़ी सुंदर हैं. कैसे मैं बोलूंगा? Most girl students I have
Most girls students I have
are very beautiful.
Are very
Are very beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay. अब लड़कों के बारे में बोलता हूँ, ठीक है? Most boy students I
most
have
boys
Most
are
boys
handsome and smart.
I have handsome.
ये लड़की, I really like the way the girls are in this class. You know, they are giving compliments to the boys before I said anything. Well done. Good. Okay. So guys, you can. अब आपको वो sentence पहले से बेहतर समझ में आ रहा है जैसा पढ़ रहे थे कल तक तो समझ में आया
Yes,
था?
sir.
Do you
Yes.
understand that sentence better now?
Yeah.
Okay. अगर यही I know को आगे लगा देंगे तो बात बदल जाती है, right? That's a totally different matter. अब बोलो, ज्यादातर पेरेंट्स जिनको मैं जानता हूँ अपने बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते हैं.
Most parents who I know
Most
is
parents
I know.
They have
they have
most
They
parents.
love-
They have
they
loved
love-
their
they love
their
love
their
children.
child.
of children.
आप लोग
Children.
आप लोग दे लगा के गलती कर रहे हो. क्यों? क्योंकि अभी तक हम लोग कैसे बोल रहे थे?
Way.
Most shirts I
Most
have
Most
are
parents.
black.
Most
Most shirts
parents-
Abhishek has are
most
white. इसमें दे तो आया नहीं
I
क्योंकि अपने
Most
subject
parents
का है
have
ही.
loved their children.
Most
Shabnam, you are
I
doing
am not
very
sir.
well.
Most
I
parents
know
have.
they love children.
Most parents
love
I
children.
know
Parents
love their
have.
children. Most parents I know love their children.
Love their children.
Love their children.
Most teachers I know teach for money. Most teachers I know teach for money.
Teach for money.
Most teachers I know teach for money.
Money.
ज्यादातर टीचर्स जिनको मैं जानता हूँ पैसों के लिए पढ़ाते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Most teachers I know teach for money. I'm also one of them.
But is sir.
Okay.
Everybody.
But because
Despite
that's
of you, sir. I
yes.
think. Despite of you.
Yeah, absolutely. Because I have a family, you know. So of course I have to
Yes, sir.
take care of the family, right? That's normal. Like everybody's papa has a job, This is
Every
my job.
person
And
need
yeah,
money.
yes, everybody needs money, right? That's normal. Nothing strange. Okay.
Yes.
Some teachers I know don't like their jobs.
Some teacher
Some
you know
teachers
they
I
don't
know
like.
don't like their jobs.
सर ज्यादा तो
I have
ज्यादातर
an example.
सर
Yes, Sulekha.
ज्यादातर लोग मैं
Some
जानती
teachers
हूँ
I know
मतलबी होते हैं
don't.
तो मोस्ट पीपुल आई नो
Most people I know they
I
are
know
They are
matlabhi or
most
selfish.
people I know are selfish.
are
Yes.
selfish.
Yes.
है ना?
यस अंशु, आप कहना चाह रहे हो ज्यादातर लोग जिनको मैं जानती हूँ सेल्फिश हैं, राइट? या सेल्फिश हैं, राइट?
I
तो
know
ज्यादातर लोग जिनको
people-
मैं जानती हूँ कैसे बोलेंगे?
I know are
Most people
People I
Most
know
people I know
are
are
selfish.
selfish.
Are selfish.
Who is selfish? Most people I know. Who is selfish?
Most people.
Most
You know.
I hope you enjoyed learning this sentence.
yes sir.
Yes.
Okay, so you can talk about clothes. आप अपने clothes के बारे में इससे बात कर सकते हैं कि नहीं सेंटेंस से? कि ज्यादातर जो कपड़े हैं मेरे पास नए हैं, ज्यादातर जो कपड़े मेरे पास हैं पुराने हैं, महंगे हैं, सस्ते हैं, ऐसी बातें बोल सकते हैं आप?
Yeah.
Okay, चलो, give me sentences about your clothes. Give me
Uh,
sentences
Some
about your
clothes
Most
are-
dresses I have western
One by one.
clothes.
Most clothes
One by
I
one.
have.
Mo-
Most
mo-
clothes I have are cotton.
Most clothes, संयोगिता, everybody, अब repeat करोगे संयुक्ता मैम का example. संयुक्ता मैम says, most clothes she has. Come on, guys.
Clothes she
Most
has
clothes
have
she has
made
Are
for
cotton.
are cotton.
Most clothes
cotton.
संयोगिता मैम has are cotton. सुहानी, सामने
Are
बैठा के
cotton.
किसी को नहीं पढ़
Yes, sir.
सकते तुम.
Are
सुहानी, अगर तुम्हारे सामने कोई बैठा रहेगा और तुम उससे बात करते रहोगे तो you cannot enjoy this class, क्योंकि वो फिर distraction है बेटा, याद रखना.
Yes.
cotton.
तुम्हें लग रहा होगा कि वो तुम मैनेज कर लोगी, लेकिन नहीं, उस जिस समय तुम किसी और से बात कर रही हो, इस क्लास में जो हो रहा है उसका असर नहीं होगा तुम पे. हम यहाँ पर असर डालने के लिए पढ़ा रहे हैं आपको मुझे पूरा अटेंशन देना होगा 100%, ओके? बिकॉज आई एम टीचिंग यू लैंग्वेज. आई एम नॉट टीचिंग यू मैथ्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री की थोड़ा समय भी हिंदी में सुन रहे काम चल जाएगा. यू आर लर्निंग द लैंग्वेज. आप ही बता दो, ये सेंटेंस बोलने से खाली यही सेंटेंस बोलोगे कभी आप कुछ भी बोल जाओगे इस सेंटेंस के पैटर्न की वजह से, अभी नहीं पता चलेगा आपको. डोंट वरी, जस्ट लेट दीज थिंग्स ग्रो. मैंने क्या कहा, मैं बीज बोता हूं दिमाग में और वो बीज पौधे बन जाएंगे धीरे धीरे बड़े बड़े. ओके, एंड
Wow,
दिस इज हाउ
that's great.
I'm fluent. मैं आपको रटवा नहीं सकता 4 लाइन. Okay, my job is to help you develop an understanding of English. सुहानी, गलती मत करना ये दोबारा बेटा. And this is my suggestion to all of you. If you have anybody sitting next to you talking to you, then it's going to distract you. You will not benefit from the class. If you want all the benefits, you need to be fully focused all the time. Okay? All right. Let's continue. So you guys are giving me examples about your clothes. Go on.
Most clothes I have
Anshu.
most clothes I have western.
बेटा आप एक important word छोड़ दिया और आपको महसूस नहीं हुआ. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि आप महसूस नहीं कर पा रहे. Most clothes Anshu has
are western.
Are
Western.
are western. ज्यादातर कपड़े जो अंशु के पास हैं वो वेस्टर्न कपड़े हैं. कैसे बोलना था अंशु बेटा?
most clothes I have are western.
आर वेस्टर्न को साथ में ऐसे रिदम में नहीं बोलने का, महसूस करना. मोस्ट क्लोथ्स आई हैव
Yeah.
आर वेस्टर्न.
Western.
व्हाट इज वेस्टर्न?
Most
क्या है
clothes.
वेस्टर्न?
Western is
Most clothes.
मोस्ट
Which clothes
क्लोथ्स यू हैव. Carry
Most
on.
clothes I have are formal.
Very good, Atif. Very good.
Most clothes I have
most
old.
clothes.
I have are old.
Most clothes you have are old. Who said this? Anish. Okay, Anish, you are a student. Don't worry. When you get a job, you will have a lot of new clothes. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Most clothes I have are suits.
Hmm. Very good. Shabnam, very good.
Most
Next.
sarees I have are blue.
Most sarees you have are blue. Blue is my favorite color. Very nice.
Most
So
clothes I
sometimes you
have
say black is your favorite color. Today you are
Dekho,
saying blue is your favorite color.
let me tell you something. I love wearing black. Okay, black I wear and I
Yes,
feel like
sir.
I'm looking dashing. Okay, but blue is also one of
Blue
my
li-
favorite colors, and
Oh,
dark
uh,
blue. And I like that color for my wife a lot. You know, my wife is fair. She is when she wears a blue sari, she looks amazing, very beautiful. You know, so that's why I said blue is my favorite color too. Basically, I was thinking of my wife because Aarti said most saris she has are blue. And I was thinking
yeah.
before my wife was married to me, she had a blue, salwar sameez, and she looked amazing in that, blue, dark blue. Yeah, go on.
most
Most clothes I have
Most
new, but
saree
didn't
I
use.
have are maroon.
Sulekha, what a sentence, Sulekha. Lovely. Guys, Sulekha says most saris she has are maroon. Very good, Sulekha. Lovely. Carry on. Abhishek, your turn.
most clothes I have are not expensive.
Most
Right.
clothes you have are not
Expensive.
expensive. What a sentence, Abhishek. Super.
Most
Guys, repeat Abhishek's sentence. Repeat.
most
Most clothes
clothes
I
Abhishek
I
have
has.
have
not
No, no, no,
clothes
no, no,
I
no, no, no,
have
no, 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 no,
are
no.
not
Don't say I. Don't say I. You're talking
you
about
have
Abhishek.
you have are not expensive.
Most
Clothes
Most clothes
Abhishek
clothes
has
Ashit
he
have
most
Abhishek
are
have
not
not
expensive.
most
expensive.
Most
clothes
clothes
most clothes
he has
are
are not expensive.
are not expensive.
Very good,
Not
Abhishek. Very good. You are a student too, Abhishek. So when you get a job, you will wear a lot of expensive clothes. Don't worry, okay? Good sentence. Continue, people.
Most clothes I have are new, but didn't use.
One more time, Kashif.
Most clothes I have are new, but didn't use.
बेटा थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. Most clothes you have are new. Very good.
Yes, but
Because
because I didn't use.
I don't wear them. आप गलत बोल रहे बेटा. Because I don't wear them.
I don't wear them.
पहनवे नहीं करते हैं. Because I don't wear them.
don't
पहनवे नहीं
wear
करते
them.
उनको. I don't wear them. Very nice. Very good. Keep going. देखो सब अपने अपने तरीके से बोल रहे हो. मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. Okay, I'm really enjoying it. Carry on. अमितवा. 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 तुझको क्या डर है रे? ए मितवा.
ढीला ढीला ढाला होता है ना.
Loose, loose.
or loose.
Loose.
Cloth I most
Most clothes Amit has are loose.
नहीं आप आई मत बोलिए संयुक्ता मैम. बोलिए most
नहीं,
clothes
अमित
Amit
बोले
has.
हैं.
Clothes
Amit has are loose.
Most clothes Amit has are loose.
I
Okay.
Most clothes you
Most clothes I have are
are
too expensive.
loose.
Zeba.
Sir, I'm leaving.
Most
Okay.
clothes I have are black.
Most clothes you have are black. Really,
most
Zeba?
footballs
Yes, sir.
You like black?
most
like
football I
black, sir.
have are white.
Yes, sir. My favorite black. I like black dress.
Your favorite is black. Okay.
But I didn't.
Most cloth I have are jeans.
Most clothes you have are?
Jeans.
jeans.
No, right. Interesting. Okay, Sahil. You guys can talk about your friends also in the same way, right?
Yes.
Most friends I have are students.
Very good. Most friends you have are students. Very good.
Most
Most.
friend I have are
Okay. Most friends I have speak English. Most friends I have speak English.
I have most people I have are working people.
नहीं रेनू, एक गड़बड़ा गया थोड़ा, प्रैक्टिकली गड़बड़ा गया, theoretically नहीं, प्रैक्टिकली गड़बड़ा गया। आप क्या बोलना चाहते थे? Say it in हिंदी।
जितने भी मेरे फ्रेंड हैं वो जॉब करते हैं।
लेकिन आपने लोग बोल दिया फ्रेंड्स की जगह, पीपल बोल दिया।
मोस्ट ओके सर, मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स आई हैव
दोस्तों ये सेंटेंस जरा सुनिएगा रेनू जी का। मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स रेनू हैज,
आई हैव
most friends Renu has have jobs.
Yes, sir. I have job.
फिर से
Are
रेनू repeat
working
करिए।
is not correct, sir. Sir, फिर से
आराम से बोलिए।
Most
Most friends
I have
are working.
Guys, I want you all to learn what Renu is saying because I'm going to teach you something really interesting. Listen carefully. Listen to Renu's example. Renu, please.
Yes, sir. Most friends I have are working people.
Very good. Very nice. Everybody, did you listen? Most friends Renu has are working people.
are working people. Yeah. Are in job भी बोल सकते हैं, है ना?
Are
sir?
in job. Exactly, are in job.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now listen to my sentence. Most friends I have a girlfriend. Most friends I have a girlfriend. जरा बोलो तो रिपीट करो तो मेरे सेंटेंस को अपने शब्दों में बोलो। Most friends my teacher has.
I have.
आई क्यों बोलोगे आप? आई क्यों बोलोगे? आपके बारे में है।
Most friends you
have a girlfriend.
अभी गड़बड़ा रहा है, आप लोग थोड़ा गड़बड़ा रहे हो।
Most
देखो
friends
you have has girlfriends.
शबनम ये
you
सेंटेंस
have a girlfriend.
सब लोग चुप से सुनो, सब लोग मेरी बात सुनो, गौर से सुनो प्लीज।
Yes, sir.
साइलेंट, ओके, लिसन केयरफुली। अभी तुमने कहा था, सब लोगों ने कहा था, मोस्ट क्लोथ्स आई हैव आर black, white, expensive, fancy, jeans. Remember, most clothes I have are. फिर आपने कहा, most friends I have are married. Most friends I have are single. ऐसे sentences बनाए। Please be silent, be silent, everybody, be silent, silent, silent. लेकिन इस बार तुम कहना चाह रहे हो कि जितने मेरे दोस्त हैं उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड्स हैं, ज्यादातर की गर्लफ्रेंड्स हैं। Most friends I have, जितने मेरे दोस्त हैं, अब आगे क्या बोलना है? Have a
Most friend
girlfriend.
you have a girlfriend.
हाँ, अब समझ में आ रहा है दोस्तों?
A girlfriend.
अब समझ में आ रहा है? Most
I
friends
Yes,
I
sir.
have.
Sir,
Most
people in Bihar have are jobless.
Most
आप गड़बड़ा रही हैं, आप गड़बड़ा रही हैं सबनम, आप बिल्कुल दूसरे एकदम आप पूरा खो गई, पूरा गलत
Sir,
कर चली गई सबनम।
sir, most
सबनम,
people-
most friends
Sabnam,
I
stop.
have
Most people I
have a
know.
car.
Stop,
Yes,
stop,
sir, yes,
everybody
sir.
stop,
Okay, sir.
everybody stop.
Okay, sir.
जरा सा आपको छूट दिया गया तो आप बहुत गलत डायरेक्शन में चले गए। शबनम एकदम गलत सेंटेंस बोली जिसका कोई मामला नहीं था
Yes,
इससे,
sir.
कुछ भी बोल गई।
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
अरे हम लोगों ने कहा
Most
ज्यादातर
people-
जो मेरे कपड़े हैं, नहीं आप लोग मत बोलो, आप लोग मत बोलो, आप मेरी बात सुनो, गौर से सुनो।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ज्यादातर जो मेरे कपड़े हैं, ज्यादातर जो फ्रेंड्स हैं मेरे, इस तरह से हम लोगों ने पहले नाउन के बारे में बात की। फ्रेंड्स, मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स आई हैव। अगर मैं अपने पापा के दोस्त या भैया के दोस्त की बात करूंगा तो मैं कहूंगा मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स माय ब्रदर हैज। मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स माय ब्रदर हैज। ओके, अब ये तो सब्जेक्ट है, आगे वर्ब क्या बोलना है मुझे ये बताना पड़ेगा ना, मुझे बोलना क्या है। मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स माय ब्रदर हैज आर एजुकेटेड। मेरे भैया के ज्यादातर दोस्त एजुकेटेड है। मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स माई ब्रदर हैज आर एजुकेटेड। मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स माई ब्रदर हैज आर
Are
रिच।
educated, are
अब और
rich.
सुनो और सुनो और सुनो।
Yes, sir.
मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स माई ब्रदर हैज हैव अ जॉब। हैव अ
Have a
जॉब
job.
मतलब
Have
मेरे
a
भैया के
job.
ज्यादातर जो दोस्त है उनके जॉब हैं, वो
जॉब है।
बेकार लोग नहीं है। दे आर नॉट जॉबलेस। बात समझ आ रही है? मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स माई ब्रदर हैव अ जॉब। हु हैज अ जॉब? Who has a job? Most friends.
Most
Which most
friends.
friends? Which most friends?
Your
Most
brothers.
friends my
Your
brother
brother.
has.
My
Your
brother
brother.
more
Your
friends.
ये
brother
पूरा का
has.
पूरा सब्जेक्ट था।
Your brother has a job.
Friend,
तो
brother.
ये
फिर
वाला
से सुनो।
सेंटेंस कैसे बोले सर? मोस्ट
have a
फ्रेंड
job.
आई हैव अ गर्लफ्रेंड।
Yes, that's what I was saying संयुक्ता
I
मैम। और आप
have a
समझ गई
girlfriend.
हैं मेरे ख्याल से।
Yes,
Most
sir.
friends I have a girlfriend. मेरे ज्यादातर दोस्तों की गर्लफ्रेंड्स हैं। Most friends I have a girlfriend.
आई हैव मोस्ट फ्रेंड आई
ये
हैव
लिखो।
Most friends I have are married.
We have
वेरी गुड
have a
रेनू।
girlfriend.
अब शबनम को मैं एक सेंटेंस बताता हूँ। शबनम आप सुनो मेरी बात। आपको मैंने कहा मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स आई हैव अ गर्लफ्रेंड। रेनू का सेंटेंस सुनना। मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स रेनू हैज आर मैरिड। मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स रेनू हैज आर मैरिड। रेनू आपकी ज्यादातर दोस्तों की शादी हो चुकी है। मोस्ट
sir.
फ्रेंड्स यू हैव आर
शादी
मैरिड।
Are married.
यस। अब शबनम ये कहना चाह रहे, रेनू ये भी तो कह सकती हैं आप कि मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स
Yes.
आई हैव अ हस्बैंड, हैव अ वाइफ।
Yes, sir.
बोल सकते हैं
Yes,
ना?
sir. Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ गौर करना कि जब आप इसको लिखोगे तो 2 बार हैव लिखाएगा। गौर से देखना, 2 बार लिखाएगा। लेकिन
कॉमा
बोलते
दे
समय महसूस नहीं हो रहा है, आराम से लग रहा है। मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स आई हैव अ गर्लफ्रेंड।
Have a girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स आई हैव अ जॉब।
Have a job.
मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स आई हैव चिल्ड्रन। मोस्ट
Yes,
फ्रेंड्स
sir.
आई हैव चिल्ड्रन।
I
अब
have
आपको
children.
प्रॉब्लम ये है, मैं फिर से बताता हूँ कि हमारे आसपास के जो टीचिंग सिस्टम है ना हमारे आसपास, और जो टीचर्स का लेवल है वो बहुत नीचे है, बहुत नीचे। इतना
Yes,
नीचे कि मैं
sir.
क्या ही बताऊं। इसका एक एग्जांपल देता हूं आप लोगों को। आप लोग में से कुछ लोग के पास एक्सेस है टीचर्स का, दूसरे टीचर्स का, राइट? शबनम एक इंस्टीट्यूट में जाती है, वहां पढ़ती हैं। शबनम आप ये सेंटेंस लिख लेना, मोस्ट
sir.
फ्रेंड्स आई हैव ए बॉयफ्रेंड, और सर को दिखाना, कहना ये सेंटेंस सही है कि गलत। ज्यादातर टीचर्स कहेंगे 2 बार
वो
हैव क्यों
बोलेंगे
लिखा है?
गलत है।
2 बार हैव क्यों लिखा है?
Yes.
क्या बोलेंगे वो?
हम्म,
2 बार हैव क्यों लिखा है?
क्यों लिखा है?
आपको
Yes,
पढ़ना
sir.
नहीं उनके सामने, आपको उनके सामने पढ़ना नहीं है, उनको खाली लिख के दे देना है मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स आई हैव ए बॉयफ्रेंड, और उसके बाद उनको दे देना है सामने कि जरा ये सेंटेंस में गलती कहाँ पे ये बताइए। तो क्या बोलना है?
तो साहब बोलेंगे ये डबल हैव जो है वो गलत है।
हाँ, बात खत्म।
Boyfriend.
इसको कहते हैं समझ नहीं हो। आप लोग कितने दिन से सीख रहे हो इंग्लिश? यहाँ 1-2
कॉन्सेप्ट
महीने
नहीं
से,
है।
राइट? और आप क्या सीख रहे हैं? क्या ये सेंटेंस सही लगा या गलत लगा? सुन के महसूस कर सकते हो आप। बोलो, मोस्ट फ्रेंड्स आई
नहीं सुनना चाहिए।
हैव
सर,
चिल्ड्रन।
जैसे कैसे कह सकते हैं
I
मोस्ट
have a boyfriend or girlfriend.
उन पर सही लगता है।
Can I move on? You guys
Yes.
understood this structure?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Most students I have are clever. That's why they understand things like this easily.
I have.
क्या कहा मैंने?
Most
Most
students I
students
have
I have are clever.
you have are
Are
clever.
clever.
आप लोगों ने थैंक यू
They
क्यों नहीं
understand
बोला? अगर आप
easily.
समझ गए तो थैंक यू बोलना बनता था आपका। कम ऑन दोस्तों,
Thanks, sir.
आप लोगों ने
Yes,
थैंक यू
sir.
नहीं
Thank
बोला
you,
मुझे।
sir.
Thank you, sir.
मैंने आप ही को तो क्लेवर बोला। किसको बोला
Yes,
क्लेवर
sir.
मैंने?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
I,
sir.
I, I.
तो आपने थैंक यू क्यों नहीं बोला? Why didn't you say thank you? देखो, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपकी इंग्लिश कितनी कमजोर है। अगर आप मेरे साथ काम करने के लिए तैयार हो तो आई प्रॉमिस, जैसे एक बच्चा बड़ा होकर के 6 फीट का लंबा चौड़ा बन सकता है, वैसे ही आपकी इंग्लिश 6 फीट वाली हो सकती है, एकदम तगड़ी, लंबी चौड़ी तगड़ी। ओके, यू जस्ट नीड टू वर्क विद मी। आई हैव सच
Sir, can you,
ideas in my mind. Yes, Renu, you're saying something?
sir? Yes, sir. Some relative I have don't speak English, sir. Is
Lovely.
it correct?
Some
Is it
relatives I have
correct?
don't speak English. क्या बात है, सिंपल है,
Is
राइट?
it correct,
मेरे
sir?
कुछ
Yes, sir.
relatives हैं जो इंग्लिश नहीं
I
बोलते।
have
Some
don't
मेरा
speak English.
नंबर शेयर करिए उनके साथ, शेयर माय नंबर विद देम।
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you
But they
have
don't want
relatives who
them
don't
to-
speak English, share my number
Yes.
with them.
But they
But
don't
they
want.
don't join.
If they
But
don't want to learn,
still,
nobody
but
can.
they still don't join.
No problems. If no, they don't want to learn, no problems. If they want to learn, I can help them. मैं उनकी
Okay,
मदद कर
sir.
सकता हूँ जो सीखना चाहते हैं। But if somebody doesn't want to learn, उसको तो कोई क्या ही कर सकता है, बताओ ना, right? If you have a desire, जानते हो adults के पास क्या होना चाहिए लैंग्वेज सीखने के लिए? Passion. मैंने शबनम को यही चीज कहा
Desire.
था कि शबनम आपके पास पैशन है, आप सीख जाओगे, आपके लिए रास्ते खुल जाएंगे इधर से उधर से। सो यू गाइज नीड पैशन। संयोगिता मैम, यू हैव पैशन फॉर लर्निंग।
Yes,
जब
sir.
मैं आप लोगों की बात करूं, छोटे कम उम्र के लोग जैसे अमित, अभिषेक, आप लोग तो प्रेशर में भी कम काम कर रहे होगे, जॉब लेना है, राइट? बट द रियलिटी इज if you have a passion for language, then you learn faster and better. Passion means interest, real interest. Like Adib joined, Adib ने ज्वाइन किया, मुझे नहीं पता उसका कितना पैशन था, लेकिन I can tell you, अब उसका पैशन बहुत हाई है इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए। He doesn't want to miss his classes. I can tell you for sure. So yeah, I think it is also the responsibility of the teacher to make the students interested in learning.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I teach, अगर मैं मैथ्स टीचर हूं तो मेरी वजह से लड़कों को मैथ्स से प्यार होना चाहिए। If I am a science teacher, मेरी वजह से स्टूडेंट्स को साइंस से प्यार होना चाहिए। It is the job of the teacher. मैं टीचर्स को बहुत ऊंचा रखता हूँ। ऊंचा मतलब मैं उन पे बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देता हूँ कि आपका बहुत बड़ा काम है, आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, मैनेज नहीं कर सकते, बस 4 लाइन बोल कर नहीं चले जाएंगे। No, you have to create passion in the class for the subject that you teach. I hope you guys enjoyed learning this sentence.
Yes.
अब पढ़ो इस लाइन को। Most single women I know want a boyfriend. अभी वैसा ही साउंड करा या अलग साउंड करने लगा अब अचानक से ये सेंटेंस? बताओ। जो पहले पढ़ रहे थे अलग महसूस होने लगा अब देखते के साथ? Most single women I know want a boyfriend. But I love
being
being on my own. बोलिए।
I love
on my own.
being on my own. I love being on my own. Come on, repeat.
I love
being on my own.
I love
Being on my
I love being on my own.
On my own means alone. On my own means alone.
Yeah. Alone.
On my own means
Alone.
alone. On my own means alone. I love being alone. I love being alone. Okay. Most friends I have, most single women I know want a boyfriend, but I love being alone. इसका मतलब she is also a single woman, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
इससे क्या पता चला? She is also a single woman. क्योंकि अगर मैं बोलूं आपके सामने कि ज्यादातर टीचर्स बच्चों पे ब्लेम डाल देते हैं नहीं सीखने का, लेकिन मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता हूं, तो मैं टीचर हूं कि नहीं हूं? तभी ये लाइन बोलूंगा ना।
Yes, sir.
फिर से सुनो, ज्यादातर टीचर्स स्टूडेंट्स पे ब्लेम डाल देते हैं नहीं सीखने पे, लेकिन मैं खुद पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता हूं। इसका मतलब मैं टीचर हूं कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
तभी तो बोलूंगा ये
Yes,
लाइन।
teacher.
अब सुनो, उसने कहा मोस्ट सिंगल women I know want a boyfriend, but I love being alone. मुझे अकेले रहना पसंद है। तो बताओ वो शादीशुदा है या सिंगल है?
Single.
Single.
और वो बाकी औरतों की तरह है या अलग है?
नहीं, अलग है।
It's different.
Because
अलग है।
most single women want a boyfriend, right?
Yes.
But she doesn't want a
Sure.
boyfriend. She
She
doesn't
doesn't
want a
want
boyfriend. She loves being alone. She loves being
alone.
alone. She loves being alone. Okay, let's
Alone.
see how many single women we have here. We have Sana, a single woman. We have Zeba, a single woman. We have Aisha, a single woman. We have Reinu, we have Suhani, we have Shazia. These are all single women. Tell me, single women, do you want a boyfriend? Single women want a boyfriend? Not in India. Not in India. Zoine ki Bharat mein. Not in India. It is about England, right? यहाँ तो चाहती भी है तो बोल नहीं सकती. You know the reason, right? नहीं नहीं बोलना नहीं है. No. ओम जय जगदीश हरे. मैं तो हूँ बहुत धार्मिक. मुझे ये सब चीजों से कोई लेना देना नहीं. Okay? Very good. I love being on my own. मतलब I love being alone. Do you like being alone, guys?
Yes, sir. I like.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Do you like being
Like it.
alone? Hello, Lucky.
Yes, sir.
Lucky, hello. Unmute yourself. Okay, let Lucky take his time and we will continue with what we are doing. So I was saying, do you like being on your own, people? Do you like being on your own?
Yeah.
Yes, I like.
Sometimes or all the time?
Sometime.
Sometimes.
Sometimes you like being on your own. On your own means alone. On your own means alone. अब बोलो मैं I am alone. Say I am alone. बोलो
I am
अब इसको on my own से बताओ. On my own से बोलो. I am
Being
being नहीं होता मैम. I am on my own. I am on my own. I am on my own. मतलब I am on
I
my own
am on
means
my own.
I am on my own means
I am alone.
I am alone.
I
Sure.
am
बोलो
alone.
my brother is on his own.
My
My
brother
brother is
on his own.
My brother is
on his own.
on his own. My brother
On.
is on his own. It means my brother is alone. My brother is alone. Okay? तो एक आदमी बोलता है अपने बॉस को कि मेरी माँ अकेली है, मुझे जल्दी से घर जाना होगा. मेरी माँ अकेली है, मुझे जल्दी घर जाना होगा.
My mother.
My mother is
My
mother is on her own.
very good, Ani.
My mother
My mother is on her own.
on her own.
I need to go early tonight. Okay, I need to go home early this evening. Hello, Lucky.
Hello.
How are you, Lucky? Turn your camera on, Lucky.
Sir,
Yes.
picture quality सही नहीं है.
I don't know. राजस्थान में लगता है बहुत जोर का वो सैंडस्टॉर्म आया है क्या, लकी?
नहीं ये क्या है, मैं बैक कैमरा कैसे करूं? ये क्या मेरे मोबाइल का कैमरा खराब है.
आपने बताया था. It's okay. It's okay. So, Lucky, where in Rajasthan are you?
From Bhadra, Tehsil Bhadra, district Hanumangarh.
District?
Hanumangarh.
Hanumangarhi,
जी.
Rajasthan. Okay, nice, Lucky. And you came very late. We have only 15 minutes to go. And okay, enjoy the class. हम लोग कुछ सीख रहे हैं. आप गौर करो, देखो कि अगर आप समझ पाते हो हमारी बातें. Okay?
जी सर.
तो दोस्तों, you want to say कि मेरी माँ अकेली है घर पे, आज मुझे घर जल्दी जाना होगा. My mother is
on her own.
on her own at home. My mother is on her own at home. So I need to go home early.
फिर से my mother.
संयुक्ता मैम, आप कर सकती हैं, कर सकती हैं.
My
संयुक्ता मैम.
mother
on her own at home.
My mother is on her own at
My
home.
mother is on her own
My
At
mother
At
is
home.
on her own
At
at
home.
At
Yeah.
home. I
My
need
mom
to
is on her own. Okay. So I need to go home early tonight. I need to go home early. Okay. अब मेरा जोक सुनना है आपको जोक
Yes, sir.
बकवास जोक है भाई
Yes,
बकवास
sir,
जोक है
yes, sir.
ओके बकवास जोक है प्लीज तो बॉस ने कहा ऑल राइट नो प्रॉब्लम्स गो ऑल राइट गो होम अर्ली नो प्रॉब्लम्स 1 week later एक सप्ताह बाद 1 week later he said to his boss my wife is on her own tonight, so I need to go home early. What did he say?
My wife
My
is
My
wife
wife is on her
My
own,
mother
so
on
I
her
need to go home
own.
early. बॉस ने कहा आज तू यहाँ रह मैं चला जाता हूँ. All right, चलो भी joke sorry okay whatever okay बाद में बॉस की पिटाई हुई. Okay, so guys, how many of you are on your own? I think Anish is on his own in Vijayawada. Anish, you are on your own in Vijayawada, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're not with your family. Kashif is on his own in Dubai. He's not with his family, but he has some relatives. He's not your own brother. He's your cousin, right, Kashif? The guy that you talk about.
Sir.
Yeah, he has some cousins, but he doesn't live with them. He lives on his own. I live on my own. मतलब
मैं अकेली हूँ। I am
मैं अकेला
मैं अकेली
I
रहती
live
हूँ।
alone.
मैं
yes.
अकेली रहती हूँ।
I sleep very well when I sleep on my own. I sleep very well when I sleep on my own.
I अच्छी
I sleep
I sleep very well.
मैं अकेले अच्छे से सोता हूँ.
very well.
I sleep very
Okay.
well.
I
I
sleep very well
I
on my own.
फिर से बोलिए सर एक बार ये सेंटेंस। I sleep
So,
very
Tamam.
well when
I sleep very well, I said. I sleep very well. Now,
yes
when I
Yes, sir.
sleep on my own,
Very
when I
well.
sleep on my own, when I'm in bed on my own, when I'm in bed on my own. अब आप बोलो जब हम अकेले सोते हैं तो हमको डर लगता है. I feel scared. I feel scared.
Yeah.
I feel
my
scared. मैं डरता हूँ. I feel scared. मुझे डर लगता है. I feel scared when I
But I
sleep.
doesn't sleep
I feel scared when I sleep on my own. उल्टा बोलो. मुझे डर नहीं लगता. I don't feel scared
I don't.
I don't feel scared.
when I sleep on my own.
on my own.
अभी एक philosophical sentence सुनोगे? Philosophical sentence. Philosophy इसमें, okay? Everybody is on his own in this world. Right? Everybody is
Yes, sir.
on their own. Everybody is on their own. His के जगह their बोलेंगे तो और अच्छा रहेगा. Everybody is on their own in this world. ये philosophical sentence है. आप इस पे बहस कर सकते हैं, झगड़ा कर सकते हैं, right? It's a philosophical sentence. Everybody is on their own in this world. Do you agree? How many of you agree that everybody is on their own in this world?
I agree.
Yeah, you agree. I agree. Yeah,
I agree too.
everybody is on their own in this world.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We,
In a way, now in a way, everybody is on their own. In a way, कुछ एक तरीके से, okay? In a way, not हर तरह से, but in a way. Okay. Shall we continue?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I don't like going to the cinema on my own. I don't like going to the cinema
On my
on
own.
my own. कुछ समझ में आया? It's easy?
Yes.
I don't like going to the cinema on my own. Can I continue now? जितनी मैंने मेहनत की, are you guys going to make sentences in the group? आप इस Telegram group में आज बवाल ला दोगे?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes.
we will
आप
give
यहाँ पर
100%.
will you write a lot of sentences today? Everybody will write a couple of sentences. आपने जो पढ़ा वो टेक्स्ट, तो क्या आपको वैसी फीलिंग्स आई? नहीं आई। अब मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, आ गई? तो प्लीज राइट सम सिमिलर सेंटेंसेस. ओके, नाउ लेट्स रीड. ऑन फ्राइडे नाइट, व्हेन
On Friday night.
Friday night.
when
On Friday night.
On
When?
Friday nights.
when
On Friday night.
On Friday night.
Oh, okay. On Friday night. Yes, on Friday night.
Nights. On Friday night.
On Friday night. On Friday night, I get home at 6:15. On Friday night, I get home at 6:15.
6:15.
What time does she get home on Friday night?
6:15.
6:15.
I get
At
home.
six-
I
at
get home.
6:15.
I get home.
I
You
get
understand?
home.
I get home. You understand? I get home.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You will say I get home. Okay? I get home. घर पहुंचते हैं. लेकिन स्कूल पहुंचते कैसे बोलेंगे? स्कूल पहुंचते?
I get to school.
I get to school. I get to
I
school.
get to a school. I get to a school.
I get to a school. I get to a school.
I get to school. Okay?
I get to a
I
school.
get to school. लेकिन घर पहुंचते हैं कैसे बोलेंगे?
I get home.
Get home.
I get home.
I get home.
I get home. I get home.
Hold on. अरे बैठे रहना. बैठे रह. Okay? Don't stand up. Okay? जब ठीक लगे तब फिर उठना. Okay? पैर फैला लो. Come on. Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs. Yeah. Yeah. Stretch your legs. It's okay. It's okay. Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs. Stand up. Yeah. Are you all right now? Okay. Sit. Relax. Relax. Don't worry. So where were we? Get home. घर पहुंचना. लेकिन स्कूल पहुंचना?
Get to a school.
Get to
Get
a
to a
school.
school.
I get to a school.
Get to a
Alright.
I get to a school.
Why, sir?
Just अभी सीख लो ना. थोड़े देर बाद थोड़ा बड़े हो जाओगे फिर I will explain. Don't worry. Okay? I'll explain. I promise I'll explain. लेकिन अभी पहले खाली सीख लो इस चीज को. अच्छा बता दो काम पे पहुंचना कैसे बोलेंगे?
I get to work.
I get
Very
to work.
good. Get to work.
I get
Get to
to
work.
work.
Get to
I
Yes.
get to
work.
work.
रेलवे स्टेशन पहुंचना?
I get to work.
I
I
get to
get to
railway
railway
Get to
station.
railway station.
I
Yes,
get,
sir.
That's right.
I get
Reach
to
railway
railway
station.
Okay. Very good. Okay. The packet of paper is there. Okay. That's the only paper I have. Don't have any more. Okay. On Friday night, I get home at 6:15 from work at the BBC. Where does she work? Where does she
BBC.
work?
From work at
From at BBC.
No, listen.
At
Please
BBC.
Works
stop.
at BBC.
You guys
At the
copy
BBC.
paste. Please don't copy paste. Please listen to my sentence and understand what I'm saying. Where does she work?
She
There is
works.
the BBC.
She works
I
at the
get
BBC.
That's all. Where does she work? At the BBC. Where does she work?
At the
At
BBC.
the BBC. At the BBC.
at the BBC.
And
the
where do I work? Where do you work? Do you work at the BBC, guys? Do you work at the BBC?
No,
No.
sir.
Sir.
No.
I
don't. Okay. Okay. So, beta, she gets home at 6:15 from work at the BBC and she makes a hot chocolate. She
Yes.
makes a hot chocolate.
Yes.
She makes a hot chocolate. She makes a hot chocolate. She makes a hot chocolate. Okay? She makes a hot chocolate. A hot chocolate is a drink. A hot chocolate is a drink. It's a mixture of
yes.
milk and
Yes, sir.
chocolate. Okay? She makes a hot chocolate.
Yeah, milk and chocolate. Yes. Sir.
Chocolate
Yeah.
powder.
Yes. Sir.
She makes a hot chocolate. If you want the recipe, you can go on Google or YouTube and ask the recipe for a hot
Yes,
chocolate.
sir.
Okay?
Yes. Sir.
You can
Yes.
try
Sir.
it. It's very easy. I made it once. It was very tasty.
I made, sir. I made.
Oh,
My
I
great.
children
made
made, sir.
Oh, good. It's a very, very popular drink with children. It's a very popular drink with children. क्या
Yes.
कहा
Sir.
मैंने? It's a popular drink with
Yes, sir.
children.
Children likes the.
Children.
Yeah. I watch TV for an hour. I watch TV for an
Children
hour.
like chocolate.
Hour.
Yeah. I watch TV for an hour. She watches TV for an
For
hour.
an hour.
Okay. And Shilpa Shetty listens to music for a couple she listens to music for a couple of hours. She watches Jamie Cullum plays the piano for a couple of hours,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And she watches TV for an hour. And then read this sentence. I wait for the rush hour to finish. I wait for the rush hour to finish. I wait for the rush hour to finish. What is the rush hour? What is the rush hour? The rush hour is a time in the morning and a time in the evening when the traffic is really bad. In the morning, when everybody is going to work, that time is called the rush hour. And in the evening, when everybody is coming home, that is also the rush hour. Obviously, the rush hour means the traffic is very, very bad. Right? Lots of people are on the road. Lots of people are on the road. So the rush hour. I hope you understand.
Yes.
Okay. I wait for the rush hour to finish. अब समझ में आया वो टीवी 1 घंटे क्यों देखती हैं? 1 घंटा टीवी क्यों देखती हैं?
क्योंकि थोड़ा भीड़ खत्म हो जाए.
She waits for the rush hour to finish. She waits for the rush hour to finish. वो wait करती है, इंतजार करती है rush hour के खत्म होने का. She waits for the rush hour to finish. अभी इस पे ध्यान दो. आपका काम है इन words का एक दूसरे से रिश्ता क्या है? She waits. Who waits? She waits. Okay. Now क्या इंतजार करती है? किसका इंतजार करती है? किस चीज का इंतजार करती है? She waits for the rush hour. For the rush hour to finish. खत्म हो जाए. और आप मुझे बताओ 5:30 बजे आप भी तो इंतजार करते हो ना?
यस सर.
किस चीज का इंतजार करते हो?
क्लास स्टार्ट होने का.
वेरी गुड. क्लास स्टार्ट होने का इंतजार करते हो. बोलो I wait for the rush hour बोलोगे.
नहीं रश आवर.
I wait for the rest.
I wait for the
class hours to start.
I wait for the class
Start.
खाली start.
To start.
I can hear some noises. Please mute yourself if you are in a noisy place. Bolo. I wait for the.
I wait for
the
5 o'clock finish.
नहीं आप ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो. मैं क्या सिखा रहा हूँ. आप जब I wait बोलते हो यानी हम इंतजार करते हैं तो किसी चीज का इंतजार करोगे?
I wait for the class to start, sir.
Exactly, Renu. I wait for the class to start. समझ में आया कुछ?
Yes.
क्या समझ में आया? आप किस चीज के होने का इंतजार करते हो? क्लास के शुरू होने का. I wait for the class to start. कनेक्शन देखो. I wait for the class to start. ठीक है. आप और किसी चीज का इंतजार करते हो? बोलो कि हाँ हम इंतजार करते हैं सर के कम ज्वाइन लिखने का. करते हो? मेरे कम ज्वाइन लिखने का इंतजार करते हो आप लोग?
Yes, sir.
कैसे बोलोगे?
I wait for the
teacher to write come join. आप लोग ध्यान दो. मेरी बात पे ध्यान दो. लिखो मत. ध्यान दो. पहले समझो. जब भी आप इंतजार करोगे तो किसी चीज के होने का, किसी के कुछ करने का इंतजार करोगे तो वो जो भी करेगा वो यहाँ है और जो चीज करेगा वो यहाँ है. तो आप वेट करते हो. आप बोलो आई वेट फॉर द टीचर. आप टीचर के इंतजार टीचर क्या करेंगे? टू राइट
join the class.
टू राइट कम. चलो ठीक है. सुलेखा रात में अपने हस्बैंड के घर आने का इंतजार करती है ना?
Sulekha waits
Sulekha waits
for the husband
to come home. Sulekha waits for her husband to come home. Repeat करोगे?
her husband to come home. Sulekha waits for her husband come to
For
her husband.
To come home.
Husband to come home.
Come home.
To come home.
Sulekha wait for
Sulekha wait
husband to come
for her husband to come home.
Come to at home ना वैसे.
At नहीं बोल रहा है सुलेखा. To come home. To come home. To come home.
To come home.
बोलो सुलेखा, बोलो. मैं इंतजार करती हूँ. I wait for my husband to come home.
I wait for husband come home.
I wait for छूट गया आपका. देखो यहाँ पर for देखो छोटे-छोटे वर्ड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. I wait for my husband to come home. I wait for my
husband come to home.
To come home. To come home नहीं बोल पा रहे हो आप सुलेखा. To come home.
To come home.
ठीक है. चलो अब आप लोग बोलो. जो एक कमजोर स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं या जो इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होते, बुरे स्टूडेंट्स जो होते हैं, वो क्लास खत्म होने का इंतजार करते हैं. क्लास खत्म हो जाए, क्लास खत्म हो जाए. राइट? बैड स्टूडेंट्स
wait for
Class
class
over.
Wait for her class
to finish.
To finish. Bad students wait for the class to finish, right?
Wait for the class to
Okay.
finish.
चलो अब आप लोग एक सेंटेंस बोल के जाओ. आखिरी सेंटेंस बोल के जाओ कि हम वेट कर रहे हैं काशिफ के शादी करने का.
I wait for
I am waiting. We are all
to
waiting.
get married. I wait for
We all wait.
Kasif's शादी. Get
नहीं
married.
बेटा
Kasif
बेटा
get married.
रुक जाओ.
Wait for
Kashi marriage.
All.
We all wait for Kashi.
We are waiting.
I wait for Kashi
हम लोग
marriage.
इंतजार
We are
कर रहे हैं. We are waiting
Yes, sir. I am waiting for Kasif.
for
I am
Kashif.
For Kashif marriage.
We are
We are waiting for Kashif to get married.
To get married.
We are waiting for Kashif to get married.
We are waiting for Kasif.
अगर
Waiting
आतिफ से
for
किसी ने
Kasif
कहा
to
आतिफ
get
तू काहे नहीं
married.
शादी करता, आतिफ
We
काहे नहीं
all
शादी
waiting for
करता,
Kashif to get
I wait
Listen.
for Aarti to child.
to have a child, to be a mother, to be a mother. Very good, very nice. अच्छा ठीक है. अभी सुनो, अगर आतिफ से किसी ने कहा कि आतिफ तू अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से शादी काहे नहीं कर लेता है, तो बोलता है हम अपने भाई के शादी करने का वेट कर रहे हैं. I'm waiting for my brother to get married.
I am waiting for my brothers to get married.
ठीक है, बात समझ में आई? अच्छा, आपको मैंने कहा मैं आपको कॉल करूंगा. अब आप वेट कर रहे हैं. किसने पूछा क्या कर रहे हो? सर के कॉल आने का इंतजार कर रहे हैं. सर के कॉल करने का इंतजार कर रहे हैं. कैसे बोलोगे? I'm waiting.
I am waiting
I wait for.
I am waiting.
I am
अरे wait
waiting
कर रहे हैं. I'm
for
waiting. कर रहे हैं. I'm waiting.
I am waiting
For sir
I am
waiting for sir.
to call me. To call me.
Sir
to call me.
Sir's call.
To call me.
Sir's
to
call तो
call
अलग
me.
है. सबनम वो अलग है. Sir's call भी बोल सकते हैं. वो भी बोल सकते हैं.
Yes sir,
Waiting
sir to
for-
call me.
हाँ, to call me. Okay.
Sir to call
Any
me.
problems?
waiting for
चलो
for
आप
sir
लोग
to call me.
आज मेहनत करो और काशिफ अपना सेंटेंस ग्रुप में डाल दीजिए ताकि सब लोग देख सके. काशिफ put your sentence in
sir.
the group. Okay.
Sir,
Yes. put
I
your
am
sentence.
waiting.
हाँ
I
जी.
am waiting. I am waiting for make a CA. Right sentence.
नहीं, you're waiting now. You're waiting to become a CA. You're waiting to become a CA. To become a CA. आप इंतजार करें CA बनने का. You're waiting to become a CA. आप बोलो मैं अपने भैया के शादी करने का इंतजार कर रही हूँ. I'm waiting for my brother to get
I am waiting for my
और
brother.
दोस्तों because we are out of time, I have to wrap up. I would love to continue. कल कंटिन्यू करेंगे इसी जगह जहां पर छोड़े हैं. और रेनू आपके सेंटेंसेस में मैंने एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया. आई होप कि आप समझ गए होंगे. ठीक है. और उसके बाद अगर फिर भी कुछ समस्या रहेगी तो आते के साथ कल
Yes,
पूछ
sir.
लीजिएगा. ओके. बिकॉज
Okay, sir.
we are getting late. It is 7:04. My students are waiting for me to start the class. Okay. My students are waiting for
sir.
me to start
Sir,
the
I
next
am waiting
class.
for your audio to call me.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. Keep
We are
practicing,
waiting for
everybody.
your
Watch
audio
the
call.
recording.
Audio to
Bye,
call.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
everybody.
Bye,
Bye-bye. We are
sir.
getting
Good
late.
night.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.